Hello friends, today I am going to show you RA factor, estimation of RA factor by using this kit, SPINREACT. It is a immunoturbidometry method. By using this kit, we can quantify RA factor present in a patient serum. And this is a Semiauto Analyser. Company name is Robonic and British Touch is the model number. By using this machine, I am going to show you estimation of RA factor by using immunoturbidometry method. First of all, I have to open the kit. You can see here reagent 1 R1, you can see here the reagent 2 RF Turbi Latex. This is the latex reagent and this is calibrator. Here is the known value 139 international unit per ml. I have already calibrated the RA factor test in this machine. That's why there is no requirements of calibration at that time. I am just going to show you the method of estimation of RA factor. This is reagent 1 and this is reagent 2. Before performing this, I am going to set RA factor to this machine. In this preface, there is no RA factor. That's why we have to swipe. You can see here, these are all the programming, and here you can see RA factor SPINREACT, RA spin. We have to select this, then run, select, then run. Let the machine to be ready, and now I am going to dispense reagents. For this purpose, estimation of RA factor, I have to collect reagent 1 400 microliter. Look at this, 400 microliter. You can see no air bubble is formed in the pipette. I am going to transfer reagent 1 400 microliter in a tube. It is discarded. Now I have to transfer 100 microliter of turbilatex reagent or R2 in this previous vial in which reagent 1 is present. 400 microliter reagent 1 and 100 microliter of reagent 2 is mixed. As you can see, 100 microliter of reagent 2. It is mixed. Make sure that cap is attached with each vial. Now look at the machine. Here it's showing aspirate reference. For this, I am going to aspirate distilled water or deionized water. This is the aspirate switch. I am going to place this and push this button. Use stored standard. The machine is showing use stored standard. Yes, it is calibrated. That's why I am going to use the standard. That's why I am pressing yes. Now the machine is ready and it's showing. Please read the sample. And now I have to transfer 5 microliter of serum sample. As you can see, the cleared portion is serum. 5 microliter, only 5 microliter is transferred. Look at this, the minute, as it is very minute amount, we have to wash the tip, just like that, in a manner. It is a kinetic process. RF factor estimation by using SPINREACT kit. It is the best kit I have ever used. We have to mix 5 microliter sample with this working reagent R1 plus R2. R1 400 microliter, R2 100 microliter, and the required volume of sample is 5 microliter of serum. Now I am going to test. 5 microliter serum is placed instantly. Now mix instantly and aspirate. After blinking this, I have to collect the vial and discard it. It's taking time. Read time 107, 105, 104 seconds. And now you can see read time is getting less than 4 seconds, less than 3 seconds. Now it's time to the result come. After the graph, you have to press escape. Look at the value, 1.76 international unit per ml. And you already know that this is a normal value, as normal range is less than 20 international unit per ml. By using this method, using SPINREACT kit, this is known as immunoturbidometric method and quantitative method. We can also test RF factor by using latex agglutination. In latex agglutination, we cannot get the value. We get either is reactive or non-reactive. If there is visible clumping in latex style, then it is referred to reactive. If there is no visualized clumping seen, it is termed as non-reactive. That's why it is known as qualitative method, and which I have done in this machine, semi-automated machine. This is called quantitative method because it quantifies the amount of RF factor present in the specimen, that is 1.76 international unit per ml. Now, after run any test, you have to wash this machine. That's why here is a wash button. I have to select wash, and next here, which time? 6 times. 6 times wash with distilled water. Place the distilled water here and enter. The machine blinks and distilled water is getting down. After this preface, we have to escape.